Good morning, student. Today we will learn lesson number 3, Life on Earth. So, dear children, in this lesson we will see the 3 points that are formation of the earth, beginning of life on the earth, the animal world on the earth. Now, first we will see formation of the earth. So children, in the basis of scientific research, it is believed that around 4.5 billion years ago, through an anomalous cloud of hot gases and dust are found in the space. Its circular motion and great speed causes to divide into several portions. Thus, creation of the sun and the planet. In this way, our earth is found and the solar system. Children, our universe has 9 planets and earth is the 3rd planet. Our planet, our earth, we exist on the earth. The earth always moves. We think that sun travel from east to west every day, but the sun does not move. It remains at one place. The earth moves from west to east. We move along with the earth. The earth has 2 motions. Motion means movement. It revolves around the sun. The end part of the earth at north and south are called the poles. Now children, we will see the changes of this solar system. The changes on the earth is due to geographical and biological process. According to the physical characteristics, this planet are divided into inner and outer planet. Now, first see the inner planet. The planet that lies between the sun and the band of asteroids are known as the inner planet. Like Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the inner planet. These planets are small in size. Now see outer planet. Outer planet, the planets which are beyond the asteroids are known as the outer planet. This include Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. All the outer planet has ring around them. These rings are made up of innumerable dust particles. These planets are bigger in size. The outer covering is gases made. So my dear children, so far no scientist found a single planet like Earth with life on it. Therefore, our Earth is a unique planet. Dear children, Sun is a star. All other heavenly bodies in the solar system get light from the sun. To travel in space, the Earth's gravitational force has to become overcome. So children, only rocket technology has helped us. Solar system consists of sun and planet. There are Venus, Mercury, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, and it's revolve around the sun. So my dear children, today we learn about formation of the earth. In the next lecture, we will study about beginning of life on the earth. So I am giving you some question answers. Do it and send it for correction.